Oh, I got an idea to make everybody a lot of money right now. Check this out. I have one hack to grow your YouTube channel so fast, your mind is gonna be blown. I literally came up with this. Nobody's doing this. In fact, this technique is so controversial that this video actually might be pulled down soon. So I suggest you watch this entire video in its entirety, because this hack, YouTube will not like this. YouTube will hate this. But this works, and you can use this to grow your channel very fast. And here's the kicker, is you don't have to make one video yourself. In fact, here's an even better kicker, is you don't have to spend any money on ads, on software, on subscriptions, on training, on anything to do this technique. And you can use this to make money and sell literally whatever you want to sell. Now you might be thinking, John, that sounds too good to be true. Check out the video and I'm going to show you step by step how to use this true hack to grow YouTube. Let's get it. Okay, so real quick, let me explain how this hack to grow your YouTube channel works. There's 4 steps involved, and I'm gonna be taking you right on my computer right there in just a second to actually walk you through the step-by-step of how to both use this method to grow your YouTube channel from 0 subscribers, and I'm also going to show you how to monetize it. I mean, this is by far the most effective thing. Now, first off, this whole system starts with permission, okay? And it's a permission that no other YouTuber has ever given anyone. This permission is going to be given to you by me. Nobody's ever done this before. And maybe nobody ever will do this ever again, because this video may be banned very soon. Again, there's no violation of any rules here. This is a little loophole to grow your channel, and the reason is because you are on the #1 money channel on YouTube. And if you know this is the #1 money channel on YouTube, guys, give this a like, set up the notification bell. If you're not already subscribed, hit the notification bell and put in the comments #1 money channel. So first, permission, then I'm going to show you how to copy and paste and make money and grow. So the first thing, the permission that I'm gonna give you is to literally copy every single video that I've ever done on my entire YouTube channel and use them as your own. Now you might be thinking, what the heck, John? That sounds crazy. Why would you just let people use your own content? Because I'm crazy. I don't care. I want to duplicate myself. I was rereading my Forbes article. I don't know if you've ever read the Forbes article that was issued about me in 2016. But the Forbes article read, and if somebody can link to it, one of my fans or subscribers, somebody linked to my Forbes article in the comments so people can see it. But what my Forbes article said is Crestani's secret to success was duplicating himself. Because back in 2015 and 14, part of my success was that I had a media buying team that I trained. I trained them to think the way I think. I trained them to buy ads the way I buy ads. I trained them to make money for my company by doing affiliate marketing based on the system that I had created. And that same system I actually teach today in what's called the super affiliate system. It's a 6-week course. You know, I update it every single 6 months or year. And I thought to myself, man, I'm showing some crazy stuff on YouTube. It should be seen by more people. Now, I'm gonna let you duplicate every single video that I've ever done. You have over 200 videos that you can actually copy, and you can schedule so that you can put these videos up, and I'm gonna show you how you can get them to get traffic by altering the headlines a little bit, by improving them just slightly, just by using a few different words. Or you could just copy the titles and get traffic. And you can do this every day and grow a channel. So instead of having to shoot, normal YouTuber has to shoot videos daily and upload daily for 6 months to a year. I've already done that. So you can use my content and post it on your channel. I don't care. I never will care. I've always let people copy my content. It's fine. It's your channel. it's yours. You make the money, whatever. I just want this material to get out to more. So let's get into the actual method. Now, if you think I'm absolutely nuts, type in "you are absolutely nuts," okay? Type in "you are crazy, John." But this is gonna be the easiest way to do this. And if you're committed and if you're in, type in "I'm in," because I'm gonna show you how to copy literally every one of my videos and schedule them to upload on your YouTube channel. And you will see it grow. You'll do 1 days of work and your channel will have videos for an entire year. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is you wanna click over to my channel homepage. Currently, it looks like this with my, two of my good buddies, Mike Laughlin, Carlos Cruz right there, some of our cars. Nice, right? Now, the next thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go to Google. You'll want to type in YouTube to MP4, okay? Now, MP4 is a file type. Don't worry too much about it. And some of these sites are going to allow you to download YouTube videos, okay? Free converter, YouTube converter. There are a lot of programs that do this. Some of them come, some of them go. It doesn't matter which one you use. The one I generally use is Online Video Converter right there, and I'm gonna click that. And what you do is you're gonna find a video of mine, okay? Now, let's say $100 a day sending emails with this one trick, okay? Now, I'm gonna copy the link to this video, and you could just, go up here and you copy the link to the video. Then I go back to my video copier, Online Video Converter, which is what I'm using. I'm gonna paste my link in right there. And some of these sites, they like pop up ads and all this stuff, but then we click start. Video's being processed. Okay, now I would not allow them to do notifications. This is another kind of like affiliate deal. And you can click download right there. Okay, so click download, showing another affiliate site. Okay, this is another affiliate site. Okay, we might have to click download again. Some of these free, video converter sites, they have all these crazy ads on them. So now we have our file, okay? We downloaded one of my videos. You can do this for every one of my videos right here. Now, the next thing you're gonna do is you are going to start a YouTube channel. Now, if you are in YouTube, I mean, I already have a channel, so obviously it already kind of shows up for me, but you should be able to click something when you're on YouTube in the upper right corner, or if you really have trouble figuring out how to create a channel, just type in create a YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you exactly how to copy and paste everything. And there's a lot of resources on Google which show you how to create a new channel. Okay, so I just created a new channel. I called it Entrepreneur News. Okay, so I don't know, just some throwaway name. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this icon right up here where it says plus and it says upload video right there. See that? Upload video. And I'm gonna upload this video and I'm going to select my file, upload it, and now we have a video, okay? And you can put whatever affiliate link makes sense. You can put an affiliate link for my program if you sign up with Clickbank. There are links to join my affiliate program. There's links to join 6 affiliate networks down in the description of this video. I suggest you join them all, use whatever link you want. Now the next step is we're gonna slightly modify the actual headline based on what's working best right now. Now to find what headlines work the best or are trending the most, I'm just gonna type in email money to find some of the top headlines here, some of the most viewed videos. And this is how I find the topics that I actually do videos on my own channel. We're not showing people how to collect emails, but we are showing people how to do email marketing, okay? So let's take that title. We're gonna take this title, Email Marketing for Beginners. And we're just gonna change that title. Notice this title, make $100 a day sending emails with this one trick. I'm just replacing it with a more popular title of a video that has more views. So presumably, this will help you show up in the sidebar for people searching for that video or other videos related to email marketing. Now, the last step here is you want to schedule this video to be released. Before we click publish right here, which would make the video live, don't do that. We will go down here to where it says public, right there. And what we will do is we will select scheduled right there. And we will select the date that we want it to be scheduled for. So let's say we want it scheduled for tomorrow, or let's say we want it scheduled the day after, etc. Now, what I suggest you do, you download as many videos as you can. As of right now, I believe I'm the only YouTuber that allows anyone to do this with their content. And I would select to schedule a video every single day, 7 days a week, for as long out as you can, and have it post at 8 a.m. in the morning. That's it, okay? That's it. Download every video you can and schedule it, and just change the title to something a little bit different, but that is still relevant. If that seems too good to be true, yeah, it's pretty crazy, but this is the only time anybody's ever done this. And again, this video may not, YouTube may take this down. So if you're committed to taking action, okay, if you believe in what we're doing here, I mean, this is so crazy nuts. I'm hoping you promote my affiliate program, because that's probably what's going to convert the best. You do whatever you want, but this will work. Just go for it, post it up. You have my permission. I don't care if people copy my content. I want to lead a revolution. Take back control. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Post it up everywhere, okay? You can post the content up wherever you want, and it will grow your channel organically as long as you copy titles of other YouTubers' videos that have a lot of views. And just to give you one more example, I'm gonna type in LinkedIn money, because I have a video about LinkedIn money. See right here, 20,000 views. And you could just change the title and copy this title, okay? Or you could change the title and copy this title, but it doesn't have a lot of views, so I wouldn't do that. So you could do a number of different things. See 15 things you didn't know about LinkedIn. That might work, etc. But I would go after this keyword. So that's how this works. I hope that helps you out. If you're committed, if you're all in, type in "I'm all in" the chat. I'll talk to you soon. Guys, put this into action. Share this video with your friends while this still works. Share the love. And as always, make sure, agree to me, make a deal with me that when you start making money doing this, when you start building your channel doing this, when you really start making things happen doing this, share your success with others, because we're building a community here. We're building a revolution. I want people sharing their success with others. Don't just take your little pot of gold and hide it out in the desert. Take your pot of gold, show other people that it's possible, because people need to know. And there's money to go around for everyone. Talk to you soon. See you in my next video.